Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today we have an Italian sausage gnocchi. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do is cook up 1 pound of Italian sausage. And then we'll add 1 medium onion that's been diced up. And give that a quick stir around and then let everything kind of cook together. About, 4 minutes or so. Okay, now that the sausage is pretty much done, it's time to add 2 cloves of minced garlic. And we're going to kind of let that cook for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then we want to add about a 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you want this a little bit more spicy, again, add more red pepper flakes. And then we're going to add about a 1/2 teaspoon of basil. Then a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. And I'll just go over the rest of this. You want also a teaspoon of oregano as well. And then you kind of want to stir this around and then give this another about a minute or so to cook. Then it's time to add a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. And then you want to add about a 1/3 cup of white wine and a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Then give this the good old stir around. Crank the heat to low. If I didn't mention it, obviously cook the sausage over medium heat. And then just kind of let this hang out and get incorporated until the gnocchi's done. By the way, you should have a pot of water getting up to the boil, and then cook the gnocchi to the package directions. Okay, now to a serving bowl. We're going to add some of our gnocchi. Then top it off with some of that Italian sausage sauce that we made. Then a few turns of the old pepper mill. And then a nice light dusting of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And that's it. So Italian sausage gnocchi. Done.